So in this episode, I'm gonna do part 2 of the level editor. We'll improve it this episode. So in the level editor selector, at the set chosen brush to costume name, you remove that, and then you'll make a new block called next brush with the input of tab. Run without screen refresh. And you'll put that next brush and then the costume name like that. And let's move this next brush into some free space. And we'll make a new list. That's new. We'll call it Tal Key Map for all sprites. And we'll grab a length of Tal Key Map and the repeat loop. We repeat length of Tal Key Map. Then we'll put the if else. And we'll check. If the chosen brush is less than chosen brush less than length of Tal Key Map, then we'll change chosen brush by 1 and the else set chosen brush to 1. And then we'll put the if and we'll check if item chosen brush of Tal Key Map equals Tal. Right? Yes. Okay. Then we'll stop the script. Stop it. We'll stop the script. And right now, that would do absolutely nothing. See? It won't do anything. For at the moment, anyway. So now we'll show the Tal Key Map. We'll go to the Tal sprite and we'll add two things into Tal Key Map. And item 1 and item 2 will be empty. Now go to item 3. That is the wood block. And for our level selector sprite, not level selector, the Tal editor selector sprite, the wood is number 2. So let's set it to number 2 because the costume number for the thing is number 2. We'll set it until 8. 2, 2, 2. Okay, now 9 is a block of gold. And we set all the blocks to 1. So now we set it to 1. Now, and number 10 is also 1 because it's a block. Number 11 is 3. Wait, number 11 all the way to 19. Okay. For 20, it'll be 1 because it's a block. Wait, only 20 until 23. Okay. And 24. And 24 is a coin, and we'll make a new one for that. Number 4. Yeah, only that. Till 27. So I hope you got all of this correct. Now we'll hide the Tal Key Map. We'll go to the Tal selector sprite. This instead of 9, make it 1. this too, and I'll delete that and go to the wood. Obviously you can choose any icon. I just wanted this one. Paste, delete, paste again, right to the middle, and there. New. Now we'll duplicate number 3 and make it number 4. Make sure that the name is number 4. Make sure that the names are 1, 2, 3, and 4. For number 4, we'll go to the coins. We'll copy that costume. We'll go here, paste it, delete it, paste it again. Then we'll drag it here. Then done. And I almost forgot. Where is the when flag? Click define. Make sure that the repeat block is now 4, or else the new selector will not show. Now you can see now there are these blocks. We tap the block icon again, it's gold. Tap it again, it's wood. Tap it again, it's that. We go to the new. Why is it not working for the coins? +2, +2, +2. Does it work? Wait, what? If I make it 1 again. Oh, that was weird, but never mind. So this is the coins. I'll be showing you how to make the animating charts later. But first, we'll make a new sprite and call it control. Now, no costume, and in the Mario sprite, we'll search for the game loop. Yes. And the first one ever will broadcast a new message called check controls. Okay, now we'll go to controls. When I receive check controls, make a new for this sprite only variable called left, and we'll set the left to the stick X more than 0.7, and we'll put a OR operator, and we'll check for key left arrow pressed. We're making another variable called right for this sprite only. We'll just duplicate this, set it to right arrow pressed, and we'll check for stick X being less than -0.7. And then we'll make another new variable called up for this sprite only. I'm pretty sure you guys understand right now. And then and we'll set it to key up arrow pressed, and then make a new variable called down for this sprite only. Duplicate this. Get for down. Where is down? Yes. And this stick Y this is also stick y. It's the same. Why is it the same? Okay, now we'll make another new variable called x at this for this sprite only. Now we'll set it to put the minus block. We'll set it to left minus right. Duplicate that. New variable y axis for the sprite only. We'll set that to up minus down. It's up minus down, right? Yes. Okay. Now in the Mario sprite, find the defined stick left right, handle stick left right. Instead of setting stick walk to this, we'll set it to the X. Oh yeah, we'll go to sensing and grab an off block, change it to controls, X axis. Now find the handle stick jump. Similar for this, instead of this, we'll check for the y axis. Oh yeah, always forget the y axis from the control sprite being more than 0. After that, yeah, there's no more after that. Let's see, does it still work like normal? No, it does not. That works as normal. Go to the control sprite. Instead of left minus r right, put right minus left. That should solve all your family problems. Woo! I love it. I just love it. I just don't know what to say. I just love it. Okay, now in the Mario sprite, you put the if else inside all of these and put all of these in the else. The move cam and paint sprite will be at the bottom, below the if else. Now inside the if else, we'll put a more than 0. Check for editor being more than 0. Make a new block called handle guard mode or editor. Yeah, handle editor mode. I like that name. Now so first of all, we'll grab a change block. We'll set it to speed x. Duplicate that and set it to speed y. And put the times operator 6. And go to sensing, off block. Go to controls, then x axis, duplicate it, y axis. Now we'll set speed x and speed y to 0.7 here, and we'll put speed x. Duplicate that and make it speed y. Now when you turn on editor mode, it won't do nothing. Now we obviously need to change the x and y by speed x, speed y. Obviously. How would you move without changing the x and y position? Like literally. You don't go that fast actually, but you can fly around while building stuff. Like do that, then just go E, and then E, and then just go like that, and then E, and then just fly around, and it doesn't paint anything unless I let go of the joystick, which is amazing that we covered that last episode. And we're almost finished. Next, we need to go to the tile sprite and search for the when I receive position tiles. We put all of that in a if else, and we put it in a else, and we'll check if the tile index equals to the empty value. And that is the original sprite because we set it to the empty value after we set all the clones up. Anyways, now we'll make a new block called editor brush. Didn't really know what to call it. Anyways, inside the define editor brush, we'll check if less than 1. We'll check if the editor is less than 1. Then we'll just stop this script and hide. Below that, we set ghost effect to 60. I mean, you can choose whatever number that suits you. I don't really know what number, so I just chose 60. And you switch costume to chosen brush and go to I don't really know what XY I want it to go to. Yes, that looks very good, and it has a slight ghost effect, so you can see the blocks behind it a little, and it shows what block you're currently placing. Like right now it says exclamation the block, and I'm actually placing that block like right now. And if we do the wood block, you see it cycles through all the wood blocks, and you can see it on just the top left corner. Isn't it so nice? It's so nice. I really like it. Anyways, now what you all have been waiting for. The what do you call it? Animating tiles. Yes. How could I not know? Anyway, we'll take out these two. Take out the if else. And in the else, we'll check for equals and the tile name equaling with the or operator because the question mark is 20, I think, and coin is 24. So we'll check if the tile name is any of that. Then we'll set the tile name to timer times it mod 4, and it's the floor of the timer. The times block you can choose. Oh my god, what in the world is happening? Yeah, I don't really understand why in the world it's doing that. But if I had to guess, I'm pretty sure it needs 2 plus 20, I guess. 2. Yes. But what about the coin? The coin is also... why didn't this happen when I tested this game? Oh, come on. Now I have to do extra coding. Anyways, we'll put it only 1 in that if. We'll delete this. Duplicate the if. Check for tally being 24. And we'll plus 24. Now it should work. Look, it's a coin that I can bump my head on for some reason, and a question mark block. Okay, so that's the end of today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it.